Marhaba babies, welcome back to my channel. This will be a different background. As you can see, you're in my kitchen. For today's video will be a different kind of DIY because apparently I've been searching on the internet about different kinds of natural hair removal. Now, we all suffer from hair. If you're like me, yes, we all have some unwanted hairs on our body, especially on our upper lip or maybe on our hair arms here. I do have. And alright, so there's a tons of tutorial in YouTube about natural hair removal. So there are more on waxing, which is the sugaring. If you're half Middle Eastern, you probably know the simple ways how to make your own wax, which I also do and I have here. But I'm not going to share with you the ingredients for a sugar waxing. This is a different kind of hair removal. They said turmeric and baking powder also do the trick to help get rid of your natural unwanted hairs. I have here our turmeric powder and also a baking powder. So apparently they said here that you need to do equal parts. So simply mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part turmeric, enough water to form a paste. Add enough water to make a paste. Apply the mixture to your hair removal area. Allow the mixture to dry and then remove the baking soda and turmeric mixture by rubbing gently. Once you rub the dry mixture away and with your unwanted hair, rinse away the Oompa Loompa.
I look like an Oompa Loompa.
What about in YouTube tutorial is, I don't know if you noticed some of it, they don't actually show you how it works. They only just share you the ingredients but never show you the aftermath of the procedure. But this tutorial I'm going to definitely show you, as let's be real. Can you see those babies? So since I'm informing that I'm half Middle Eastern, hairs in my arms and also in my legs, but I don't remove my hairs on my arms because it's not that thick either, but there are some parts that it's very thick because I accidentally shaved it when I was in college. Blacker and thicker. So let's proceed. A little water until it become a paste.
Rising up like the phoenixes, been tired of pushed down the ground. Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
Part that I just put the turmeric mixture. There you go. Since the hair growth of my unwanted hairs, they're kind of brownish to blackish color, which I really don't like it, but it doesn't bother me, so there. So we'll just wait for this to dry out and then simply rubbing it to check if it really takes off. So I'll get back to you when it's dry out, okay? Alright, so it's about like 10 minutes now. As you can see, oh, hold on a second, I'll just make it focus to you. There. So the next step is you need to rub it gently. Okay, let's try. Oh. It's kind of easy to take it off, actually. No, it just turned my skin into orange. Can you hear that? Oh. Nothing came off. To be honest with you, nothing came off. I don't know if this tutorial is legit. You know what? No wonder why they never show the aftermath after they're showing you and how to do the procedure. But look. Nope. Hold on. Doesn't focus that right. Oh, it just turned my skin into yellowish. I can still see my hair here and the powder is here. Okay, I'm going to try to wash it off. Doesn't work. Okay, I wash it off. Nope. I can still see my hairy arm. There. I still have my hair here. Looks like this baking soda and turmeric hair removal doesn't work. Okay, one of the benefits of turmeric is it is a anti-inflammatory and antioxidants properties. So I don't think that it doesn't help to remove your unwanted hair. It also reduces the skin inflammation, also help to regulate your immune system. So the final thought for turmeric and baking soda, it doesn't help you to remove your unwanted hair. So you probably suggest to go to sugaring, so it's more natural and you can simply do it yourself at home. I also do mine and I kept it and store it here in our kitchen, so it's totally okay. But the turmeric and baking powder, no. But my skin is very soft. By the way, I think one of the celebrity now in Hollywood is using a turmeric mask. I'm not sure who. Oh, it's Priyanka Chopra using turmeric as her face mask. Turmeric is also great for anti-aging and all the wrinkles that you have here in your forehead and also in your eyes. They also help to reduce it, but maybe this turmeric mask will give you that glowing look. Alright guys, so this is my short video for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!